Hey Crafty Planner, welcome to my channel. I'm Tina. Today's video is going to be all about happy notes. I am going to talk about what happy notes are, how they come, the paper that comes in them, and all of the different sizes that are available. This video is actually a part of a series. So I'm looking at 2, possibly 3 videos that are going to be part of this series. And this first one is going to be the basics of happy notes. And the next video is going to be all about my happy notes and exactly how I use them. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when my videos come out. All right, let's get started. Best place to start is explaining exactly what happy notes are. So happy notes are the Happy Planner's version of notebook. But because, of course, Happy Planner uses the disc-bound system, that notebook, of course, is on discs. So all of the happy notes come on mini-sized discs. So what I have here are 3 different sized discs that Happy Planner has. And this one right here, that is the mini disc. This is classic and this is big. Now, if you want a little bit more details about like the discs themselves and kind of like basics of the Happy Planner, then you can check out a video that I have, which is Happy Planner Basics, and I'll link that for you up here. So if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and check that out. So for now, I'm going to be moving these to the side because we are not going to be dealing with any of those. Well, maybe one of them, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. All right, so the mini disc is what the happy notes come on, and they are also plastic discs. Some discs are available in metal, but none of the happy notes come on metal discs, but you can always change your discs out. That's always an option. So the next thing I want to talk about is the type of paper that you get with the happy notes. There are different types of paper that come with each happy notes. So you can get either one that has dot grid or lined, but this one happens to be dotted line. So it's not a solid line, it is dotted, but there are lines there. And then there's line grid available, which is solid line grid. And then there's what's called sketch paper. All of this paper, it all has some sort of detail to it. So this one here has some detailing down the spine, and the same thing with this one here. Now this one is a little bit different. It has it at the top here. And then this one happens to be plain, and this one actually is part of an extra pack of paper. So Happy Planner does have the option where you can get extra paper. And then now this one is considered the sketch because there's no lines at all, but there is still detailing. And this one's got it down along the spine and then down along the bottom here. Or of course, if you flip it, then you have it at the top. So that's just something to consider when you are getting the happy notes, that the paper itself is not going to be plain. Now there are some options that come with like a solid line. Oh, and by the way, the quantity of paper is the same in all of the happy notes. They all come with 60 sheets of paper. So let's talk about the different sizes that the happy notes come in. Oh my gosh, it's a micro. This is a micro happy notes. It is adorable. It comes with 4 discs, and I love this. It's so super cute. This particular one, if you notice, it still has like all of the packaging on it, and it tells you right here, comes with 60 sheets, and then it also gives you a little picture down here of what's inside, and it is going to tell you down here that it's lined paper. Love, love this size. This size is great for in your pocket, great for small purses, all right? I love this size. The paper is perfect because you can write notes down on here, and this paper is going to fit into any of your planners, which is really nice because, you know, sometimes you just don't need a full piece of paper. You just need to jot something down. So there you go. You got this little pocket size notebook with disc bound system. You can take that out of there and put it right into your planner. So that is an awesome, awesome size. I absolutely love this. And look how cute this is. Today is a gift. Yes, it is. Take some of that glare off of there for you. But so, so cute. All right, so those are just some ideas that you can use. The next size that I want to talk about is the mini size. So here is a mini notes, and I have to be honest, I just got this. It's so pretty. I am in love with it. I have not even taken it apart yet. It's really, really pretty. And look at, it's actually part of the wedding collection, and it's gorgeous. So you've got your 7 discs here. And if you're not sure about what size you're looking at, just count the discs, because it's just 7 discs. That's the mini. So, so pretty. Like I said, I haven't even opened it up, but it's so pretty. And then now it comes exactly the way like your planners will come with your welcome letter. Now, the mini size is going to come with tabs. And the notes will come with 3 tabs. And the nice thing about the tabs is that you can, interchange those. You can add more tabs in, of course. And then here, let me just open this up. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited about this. This paper in here is a little bit different, but if you look at the front, it shows you a picture, so you see exactly what you're getting here. You don't have to take it apart to actually see it. But I'm gonna take this apart for you right now because it's just so pretty and I can't wait to use it. But it comes with 3 tabs, and then usually you've got a nice, just a picture on the one side, and then this one does have some writing here. And then you see the paper is actually a really light green. So they did something a little bit different and added some color to these notes. And then this one does have some wording here, but then the back side has got a nice print to it. So that's how they do that, because of course in the planners, when you open the tabs, they're monthly tabs, and you open up to a calendar. But in this case, you open it up and you get a really pretty picture on the other side. And the nice thing about these is if you wanted to, you can always take these apart, take these off, flip them over if you prefer this side, and then just put a sticker on top of that if you don't necessarily want to have the wording on there, but you really this side of the tab. So that's always an option. So this is the mini Happy Notes. Again, 60 sheets. And so, so pretty. Can't wait to use that one. And there is also another mini size. And look at how cute that is. This is the mini skinny, and I really think that this is probably going to be my next favorite item. I absolutely love this size, and this does come actually in a planner as well. However, I just love the note size. The note size is so nice. It's the same 7 discs, but it's half the page. So it's much skinnier. Now this one does not come with any tabs. All right, so no tabs on this. It's just all the same, of course, paper in here. But look at how cute this is, and it fits right in your hand. I took this shopping with me, and it is awesome because I love just being able to hold this in my hand and look at it and see exactly what I need. The micro is also really cute and great in that way, but I just like this one because it's actually a little narrower. If you compare the two, the paper for the micro is just a little bit wider than the paper for the skinny mini. So I really like that. And this one is, see, it's just a little bit wider. And for me, for my size hands, I don't know, this fits just perfectly. So love it. And of course you can do anything with these notes. You can make them into whatever you want. If you don't like the paper that it comes with, you can get extra paper and you can always switch it out. So the next size I want to talk about is a size that I actually do not have. I don't have a notes in this size. It is the big size. So what I'm doing here is I'm just showing you one of the planners that I have that is a big size, just so that way you can see how big it is. Now the big size Happy Notes, same as the big Happy Planners, they come with 11 discs. And it's pretty much like a full, like regular size sheet of like printer paper that you can get, and it fits perfectly in here. So, and it does still come, however, with the mini discs, and it will have your 60 sheets of paper in there as well. And it will also come with tabs. So you'll get 3 tabs in this one also. So now I do have my eye on a big Happy Notes, and I was hoping to have that already, but unfortunately I have not been able to obtain that just yet. So once I do, I will share that with you, and I will more than likely share that with you on Instagram. So if you have Instagram, please follow me there at It's a Wonderful Plan. You will see things there that I don't always share with you here on my YouTube. So hopefully I get that, because it is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm pretty excited about that. So something to look forward to. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but it's gorgeous and I have to have it. So I'll be getting that. As soon as I'm able to, I'll be getting that. Let's talk about the most popular size notes, and we're gonna talk about the classic size notes next, because there's like some variations in the Happy Notes in this size. So let's just talk about the basics first. So here it is, your classic size, 9 discs. All right, the classics are 9 discs. Again, you've got your mini plastic discs on here. It comes with the 3 tabs, and this one has that like sketch paper in here. And then this sides are, you know, like usually printed. So we've got, you know, some wording on here, and then just like a nice picture on the other side. So that is the classic size. And this one also comes in a classic skinny. Love it. I love this size. Oh my gosh, I love this size. So this one right here is one that I still haven't started using yet, but this one happened to be part of the Happy Planner Girl line, and this was, I think, the Happy Hostess. So I'm gonna open this up and look at how pretty the inside cover of this is. I'll be honest, this is why I actually bought this, because it's gorgeous. But this one, I really like this paper because it's definitely more plain. It does have like the little like polka dots down the center, but it is a very like plain paper in comparison to some of the others. All right, so this one does not have any tabs in it. So any of the smaller Happy Notes do not come with tabs, but your regular sizes, mini, regular classic, and the big all come with 3 tabs in there. So the next thing I want to talk about is still within the classic size Happy Notes, and that is Happy Notes, but journal Happy Notes. So these right here, this is a little bit different. Now, first off, they come with 80 sheets, and they come with classic size discs. So you're getting a regular classic size disc versus the mini disc, and that's because you're also getting 20 sheets more of paper. So it only makes sense to have a little bit larger disc on this planner or on this notes. And on the front, it's telling you exactly what is in here. So this is set up as a guided journal. So it's going to help you, record all of your thoughts, anything like that. Now, it depends on which one you pick up. There are different ones. This one that I picked up is a gratitude one. I just really liked the cover, and I really liked the pages on the inside. And I'm going to open this up and share that with you so you can see here. And of course it comes with the page, the welcome page. Now this one comes with 4 tabs. And within the tabs, you've got like a month's worth of journaling pages here. So really you have like 4 months worth of journaling here that you can do. And when you open up the tab, the first page here is like referencing the week. And then there is a blank page here. And then you open it up and then you head into like the days of the week. So you can fill in your date. The nice thing is that these are undated, so you can start these and end these whenever you like. But it's really nice because it does help, because it guides you, things to jot down. If you want to start journaling and you're not really sure where to start, these are great to get. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned a little bit more about Happy Notes if you didn't know anything about them, or how many sizes they come in. There's so many different sizes that the Happy Notes comes in, and there's so many different things that you can actually do with the Happy Notes. So the next video that I will be putting out, I will be talking all about how I use all of my Happy Notes, and I have a lot of them, so if you really want to see them and you want to learn exactly how I'm using them, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, that way you will be notified when I put my videos out. And I might have another video to this series. I haven't quite decided yet, but I think by the time I put out my second video, I'll have a decision made. All right, the last thing that I really want to leave you with today is Happy Notes. They are a fraction of the price of the Happy Planners. The Happy Planners are beautiful, but maybe you don't need like all of those planners, but you do like the idea of switching out your covers. And there's so many beautiful Happy Notes out there, and you can get them for much, much less than you can get multiple planners for. So if you like the idea of switching out your covers, or maybe creating your own planner with Happy Notes, because I see a lot of people doing that, then Happy Notes are definitely the way to go. And I have taken covers off of the Happy Notes and put them onto my existing planners for the simple fact that I really like the covers of the Happy Notes, sometimes a little bit better than the covers that the planners might come in. All right, so that is my last tip for you about how you can use Happy Notes. And I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And also remember, I'm on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan. Follow me there and you will see things there that you do not always see here on my YouTube. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.